Okay, today I'm gonna show you on how to fix this puncture in this tire. The reason why I took out this tire from the car is because it's hard to do it while the tire is in the car, so it's better for me to take it out. So this is the screw that got into my tire. So what I'm gonna do is I need to remove first using these pliers. Oh, I'll just use this one. Okay, now that I already removed it, the first thing that I'm gonna do is, because the puncture is too small, I need to use this to make it bigger. So you need to put this in like this. There, so that it will become bigger. The puncture will become bigger like that, so that if you are going to use this one, you're going to put it in like that. And then put it in like this. Alright, put it in like that, put it in the middle like that, and then you need to use this rubber cement that comes with the with this thing. Put it like that, put it like that. Then now you need to do it straight like that. Put it inside like that. Like that. And then when it's in like that, you need to pull this out straight. Okay, straight, like that. See that's what happened. So there's an excess thing like this rubber here. You need to cut it with a razor. Cut it like that. Oh, this razor is so dull. Then that's it. Now we need to put air now into this tire. Okay, so that's how you fix this puncture. I hope this video helps you guys. Thank you.